Using the free fact checker as you are going about your day is really easy. Just highlight the text you want to fact check, right mouse click and click fact check this. And right in line, it will do a search against Google Search and along with Gemini and give you back all the details that you need to know, including citations that you can then follow, as well as an overall verdict about whether this is true or not. And then also additional Google search links that you can follow to learn more information. So here I am on a newspaper website, but I can also do it in a PDF. And in this case here, let me do this again, fact check this, and it's going to go fact check this statement in this PDF and give me a similar kind of result. Good for social media when you are reading something and you're like, is this true or not? Now, another way you can trigger this is you can use the toolbar icon. The best way to do it is to pin the toolbar icon for the fact checker, and then you can highlight any text and just click that. And right now I'll get a result on this telling me whether this is true or false, again, along with all the citations and additional Google search links. When I'm writing content, this is a good way for me to fact check my own writing. So in this case, I'm going to press the toolbar icon, and it's going to go fact check all these facts and tell me if they're true or not. In this case, I think there's some stuff here that's open to interpretation, so it'll probably come up as mixed, but I can follow all these links and I can determine whether what I'm actually saying is true or not. And also, finally, it's also really good if somebody is vague posting something. You're like, what is this all about? Just highlight the text, run the fact check on it, and it basically gives you a deeper dive and explains what this whole thing is about. So super useful while you are surfing the web. And the way to set it up is after install, you go get a free Google Gemini API key. There are instructions here on how to do so. Paste it in, hit save and test, and you're good to go. For free, you get up to 20 requests per day on the current Flash models. But then if you want more, you can set up billing with Google. So give it a try and let us know how it goes. Thanks.